How to log in into your Go2 Bank online banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Go2 Bank online banking. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button for How to Grow. So now let's begin. So the first step is open up your web browser. After you search for your web browser, simply search for Go2 Bank login. After that, hit enter and it will take you to this section. Now right here you will get the links to Go2 Bank. The one that you want to go to is this one right here that says login, and just open this website up. After you open up this website, it will take you to a login page where you can log in into your Go2 Bank's account. So all you have to do right here is type in your email. So type in your email, and after you type in your email that is associated to your account, you can then type in your password. And if you want to make your future logins easier, you can tap on the remember me button and then tap on login to log in into your account. Now if you're having trouble logging in, you can tap on this button which will enable you to recover your email address and reset your password. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can log in into your Go2 Bank account. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.